Look what we're doing. Hi Dizzy. Look where we are. Devon. And there's a big ball of brightness up there. Big day for the little man today. He's going to get his first bike ride. Off we go, so the family. Off to get Ollie his first bike helmet. So you can't go in there until you get a lid. So I've just jumped on the Tarka Trail, which starts in Braunton, and I'm moving towards Barnstaple. It goes through Barnstaple and onwards. I think it's the longest traffic-free route in the UK, about 35 miles. We're not going to do 35 today, but we'll certainly do a little stretch of it. Hello, what are you doing on a bicycle? You're on your first little practice. How is it for you? Good? Stop. Oh yeah, are you having chocolate cake? Oh yeah? Well, you better not be. That's for me. No! Ollie, your first bike ride. Good job. Was that good? Was that fun? Well done, Baba. Well done. You're too small to ride that. You need a license. Are you coming? Are you staying there? Hiya. You're by yourself. Feeling lonely?